Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, I'm so excited. This is probably pretty obvious already who this is. This is gonna be Jigsaw. This is gonna be a girl version. Jigsaw is a man, right?
Oops.
I'm pretty sure he is because he's pretty brutal. But yeah, I wanted to do a glammed up look on it. Not just your typical Jigsaw plain white face with this red swirls and a messy lipstick with a puppet line right here. I wanted to do a glammed up look, and I really do believe that this look just came so nice. Although it is such a last minute look, I am so sorry. But still, I wanted to push through with this look because I really want to achieve this glammed up Jigsaw look, because just the thought of it just gets me so excited. But anyway, if you are interested on knowing how to get this Jigsaw glammed up look, just keep on watching. Hey everyone, I know this video was supposed to be up like a long time ago, but Mama got so backed up with stuff. Olivia got sick and my husband got sick right after her. I wasn't able to film this the day I'm supposed to film, scheduled to film. Anyways, okay, so we're gonna start priming our eyes. Just get your trusty primer, and today I'm gonna use this Cara Beauty eye primer. I did mention that I've been trying out this primer and really gathering my thoughts for it. So far, I've been really liking it, although I wish it comes in shades like flesh tones. So today I'm gonna try on a new palette, and this is the Delancey. I don't know. This is their Maelstrom. You get the point. This is it, and it looks really delicious. Look at that. I got mine from Amazon, and we're gonna get this waistland right here. Put that all over our upper crease. And look how the primer is working. It's really easy to blend eyeshadows. I'm actually starting to fall in love with the formula of this palette. It's really nice. Next to that is I'm gonna go ahead and grab this dome brush right here from Sigma, and I'm gonna get this shade Stroke. I'm gonna apply that just on my crease. Draw that crease line first and then flick it. Get yourself a flat crease brush, and this one is from ColourPop, and I'm gonna get this rice paper shade right here. It's more of a brick red, and just slowly blend those harsh lines. Be patient. Do not try to panic if you're like, oh my gosh, it's not blending. Just blend until your hands fall off. So go ahead and grab yourself any black eyeshadow. This time I'm going to use my Cara Beauty ES11 palette. I'm going to put that on the outer parts of my V-line. Look how pigmented this black is. Then get your crease brush and just blend the outer parts. And then drag it all the way to your crease. Next is I'm gonna get this liquid eyeshadow from Cara Beauty, and this is in the shade Venom. I've used this one time and I literally fell in love with it. It's so glittery. I love the formula, and I'm gonna cut my crease using this. So for this glitter part, you can definitely substitute this with any highlighter that you have. Any highlighter will do. Just pack that on in there and you'll be good to go. Then after that, I'm going to get a pointed pencil brush, and I'm going to dip again to that black shade. I'm just going to define this cut crease even more. And then I'm going to slowly blend it. Next to that is we're gonna wipe our face, of course. Alright, so for face, I'm gonna prime my face using this LA Girl Pro Prep HD Color Correcting Face Primer. But actually, I'm going to put on my Nivea Men first. Priming and applying moisturizer to your face for me is very important. This is actually the first time I'm gonna try this color correcting face primer from LA Girl. Today, I'm gonna use this Light Illusion from Flower Beauty, and this is in the shade Soft Sand M2. I've never tried this foundation before, so this is the first time as well. I'm like really wanting to try out a lot of new products on this video just because I got so backed out with, you know, ooh. This is giving me life already. I did not expect this coverage since this is a luminous foundation. I was really not expecting this type of coverage. Like, this is nice. Now on this look, I didn't want to create a white base because I want this to be as easy as can be. My suggestion on this part after the eyes is really just do your own normal glam routine. I got my shade right on this foundation. Even though their shade range isn't that wide, I'd say it's a medium coverage. Next is I'm gonna use this concealer from Makeup Revolution, and this is their Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour. I am in the shade C7. Next is I'm also gonna try a new setting powder, and this is from Joa Beauty, and this is their Selfie Ready setting powder, and this is in the shade Banana. I found this months ago at CVS, and I was really curious of this brand because I'm like, I've never seen this brand here in drugstores before, so I grabbed a few things. I'm gonna set my entire face with that. So my nose just decided not to pick up product. This is so weird. That setting powder is actually really nice. For some reason, I'm liking it, but that's not yet final. I want to try it more. A lot of my NYX products, they just break on their own. Like, I don't know what happened. What did I do wrong? For bronzing, I'm gonna use this NYX matte bronzer in the shade Deep 10. Then I'm going to contour using my Milani Multitasking Face Powder in the shade Dark Tan. You know the drill with this bronzer. This is one of my favorite contour product of all time. I've been using this for how many years now? I don't even know. It's the perfect warm for morena skin tones like mine. Next to that is we're gonna cut our contour because I want this to be really precise. Okay, this is really important. And then I want you to emphasize the chin, both sides. Then I'm gonna grab this Juvia's palette, the Saharan Blush Volume 2, and I'm gonna grab this shade called Tau. Tau, I don't know, whatever. In the Philippines, we read that Tau. And then I'm gonna blush the hell out of my face. This blush is really nice. Look at that. That's so pretty. Next is I'm gonna grab this Revolution Makeup Jelly Highlighter, and this is in the shade Monumental. This is my first jelly highlighter. I'm gonna use my Beauty Blender for this. Okay, no. I feel like it's a no. Let me apply it with my finger. No, I'm not liking this. No. Ooh, that's so sticky. I'm not liking it. I don't like it at all. So we're gonna highlight our cheeks using this Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. That jelly highlighter ruined my foundation base. Then highlight your chin as well. For the eyes, I want you to go back and grab that rice paper. Then blend that in again without any additional product. Next is we're gonna highlight our brow bone area using the same highlighter from Maybelline. Next is I want you to grab a white pencil and draw that swirl on your cheeks right there. The reason that I'm doing it on white first is because so that I can erase it if I make a mistake or something along those lines. So go ahead and create that swirl. Next to that, I'm gonna grab this CC Beauty Professional Cosmetics 12 Flash Color Case, and I'm gonna get this red shade right here. And I'm gonna get a pointed paint brush that I got from Michaels. Then I'm gonna start following that pattern that we created. Next is go ahead and grab your trusty red liquid lipstick and apply that following the normal lines of your lips.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You scared the hell out of me, po. Then after that, we're going to create a lip wing on both ends of my lips. Next, I'm gonna go back to that waistland and get me a fluffy pencil brush and then just start applying that where we bronzed up on both sides of our chin, connecting that to the tip of our lips. I'm gonna drag that all the way down there. And then after that, I'm gonna get an angled brush and then I'm gonna dip into this black paint right here. And then just in the center, apply that. Then lastly, I'm gonna apply some lashes, and these are from Tati Lashes in the style TL6. And that's it. That completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I really loved how this look came about and how everything just got pulled together with this wig and with this big ass bow tie right here. I feel like this is a really good costume, especially, you know, not turning your face flat white, just doing your own glam up smoky eye, put a bow tie and everything else will make sense. If you want to recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram, and if you don't follow me on all my social media accounts, everything is Lian Jarrell, my Snapchat, my Facebook, my Instagram, and my Twitter, dear. I would definitely love to see your recreations and show your version in my little world. And if you want to know all the details about this look, everything is going to be linked down below on the description box, all the products that I use, so go ahead and check that out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please to subscribe, click the thumbs up if you did like this video, and comment down below what you think. And mama with a cute ass bow tie will see you on her next video. Bye.